Hey guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. here from Profits of Forex with another video for you guys. Want to once again thank you guys for watching our videos and supporting this channel. I know that we hadn't recorded nothing around Valentine's Day. It's been a really busy couple of days, but I wanted to share with you guys another strategy. It's actually going to be just I think I showed this kind of using this indicator in another strategy as well, with the major impulse strategy. But I want to show you just how you can trade the daily open as a strategy as well. So in this video, I'm going to go through and show you how to set it up, give you a set of rules to look forward to, and then as always, give you another way to build on that. Before we exit this video, before we get started, like, subscribe, press the notification button, guys. Help support this channel and what we do here, and our goal and our mission to help other traders like yourself, become profitable, successful, and elite traders, and become the elite traders that you are. So with that being said, so as you can see, I got right now set up on my chart, I have the USJPY on the weekly. But I'm going to go down to the hour chart so that we can kind of use the strategy. So we want to dial down and be able to use it. You can kind of go down to the 5 minute and all that stuff too as well. So we're going to do it off the hourly chart. So I took everything off this chart so I can make it as clean as possible so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, guys. So basically, the daily open is, the accumulated price range in which the price opens at, right? And this whole strategy is built upon the fact that if price is trading below the daily open, it usually indicates a sell. If it's trading above, it's indicating a buy, right? So basically, the whole strategy is we're looking for the daily open. We want the daily open to be trading above the green bar. We want to retest on that bar, and we are looking also, as in confluence. We're going to look for other areas in which price may come off of a major area of support, or where there's some accumulation at. But we'll get into that. Really, we're going to make the strategy really simple. And it's pretty much straightforward. We're going to go into our indicators. I already have the indicator on, but what I want you to look up is the daily open by TV-DAS. All right, guys. And as I said, I mentioned and used this indicator, I believe, in another previous strategy and video. I want to start pushing stuff out to you guys that can kind of help you guys definitely help you guys get started trading. Strategies you can use that you can grow from. I've been doing this for a couple of years. I've evolved, and that's what you want to do as a trader, is evolve. And you need a starting point sometimes. And I started with a lot of these things, using these to become profitable, maybe get in and out the market, set myself and prepare myself for a set of rules and set the tone of my trading. So we're going to go ahead and click this. Since I already got it installed, I won't have to do that, right? We want to go to daily open. I'll just basically make it highlighted now, and I'll put this tab up. And basically, as you can see, this is our daily open, right? This is our bar. This is where price is basically projecting it would start or close, right? So what we want, as you can see, let's go back here. We'll start back here, right? As you can see, price kind of was in a range here. We don't want to trade the ranges. See what I'm saying? We don't want to trade the range. If it's not so much space between the daily opens, we don't want to trade the range, right? Not at all, right? So what we're basically doing is we're trading in the trend, right? So as you can see, price comes here and it holds below, and this would be a solid sell for us, right? Because price held multiple times, right? This acted as a level of resistance, and that's what we're looking at. If price is going to hold below this daily open, and we would sell that daily open, right? I wouldn't have probably sold this one. This would have been our trade that we would have took. I actually would have waited for a little bit more development, because right here the market was pretty close. It was still in a range. Now right here, I probably would have waited to here, where you'll get to see, and there's some other stuff that I see here, which is why I would trade right here versus over there. And I see price still holds below that. So I know that price came down, but it still holds below this daily open, comes down, and it confirms that it's going to go through this daily open. Then I would have sold here, and that would have been a good sell, right, guys? And that's what we're looking at. We want to make this simplified. So that would have been a perfect sell to take. Where's my measuring stick? It would have been a perfect sell to take. So from there, we would have sold it to the bottom of this, and that would have been 179 pips, guys. And pretty much you could have held this even though it came to this daily open, and you could have seen what this daily open is going to do. Now, as I saw that this was getting ready to range, I could just get out with profit right here. You get what I'm saying? Price went back up. It retested this area, this daily range. It came back, but it didn't go below this. So then I would have actually exited my trade here, guys, right? Those are things to understand in price that you'll learn as you go along. Now, once again, we hit another market here. We like to draw our bosses, guys. Remember, we like to draw our market bosses right here where we got some consolidation. It really helps you to really spot the move, right? So when price came in here, we had some consolidation. We had some areas of accumulation. And then once we see it come above this daily open here, we want to see it hold. Now, you might have had to go down on the lower time frames to see a retest on that. So let's go down to the 15 minute. And let me see if I can get it, if this is it. Yeah, so right here, right, this is where we had our consolidation of boss. Where's our boss? Find our boss, guys. I think we in the wrong here. All right, here we go. So there we go. There we go. Let me make sure we good. All right, so we still would have to go down more. Let's go. Where we at? Let's go. Okay. Well, price did what it did. Okay, so either way, this would have been where we got in, right? This would have been our candle to get in on. As soon as price came above this, box right here, right? I have it right here. Above this box right here with a ball, right? With a basic ball, because price is holding above this. Price didn't even have to retest or retouch this. It just came right there. So that's a good trade. And price went on up, right? And basically what you are doing is you could hold this as you trend. You can see how price is going to respond to the next daily open and see what goes on there and whether you should close the trade or not out, right? And as we can see, that was 230 pips, but price didn't stop there, right? It came back and it retested this area. I want to go back on the hour chart because it's smaller stuff, right? It came back on this area right here, as you can see. And we like to draw our bosses, guys. We like to draw our bosses right here, right? Price came out of that box, went up once again to this daily open. See what I'm saying? Now, as long as it's trading above, that's what we're looking for as a buy. When it's trading below, we're looking for a retest to see if it's going to continue to push below, but we're looking at that staying below that in this daily open, acting at some level of resistance, in this daily open acting at some level of support. Guys, that's the whole idea of this. And it's just finding areas of structure. You know that this is some levels of structure here, right? Price comes here. So yeah, right here, I would have took this sell to this level of structure here on the hour chart. See it, right? Price came down here, right? That's your good sell. You would have probably got, I don't know how many pips you would have got on that. Let me see. 238 pips on that trade. Not every trade is going to be a winner, but if you learn to use market structure and levels of confluence and in areas in which you can and different elements to confirm your trades build the confidence of the trades, give you certain ideas on the bias in which you're thinking and how firm that is, whether it's a buy or a sell, then you're definitely going to get better at this. So the whole point is just to give you something simple, straightforward to kind of, start trading, doing your thing. And this is it. Trading the daily open is as simple as it could be. If it's, green bar, the daily open is green, which is indicating a buy. You're just basically trading above that. So you're waiting for a retest and the price to push up. And it's the hold as support. Same thing with the daily open. When it's a sell, you're looking for it to act at some level of resistance, a retest, and then price to continue pushing downward from it. All right, guys. And as you can see, it trended really well from here. It came out of consolidation box right here. It's another indication right here. You see it. Price came down into this box. And right here, you saw price begin to break out and it pushed up, and up. All right, guys. And that would have been 272 pips, guys. So, with that being said, that's how you trade the daily open strategy. Trading the daily open and making it simplified. All right, guys. So, with that, I hope this has helped. Let me know how we could have, maybe enhance this video, maybe some stuff that you want us to add into the videos, as well, strategies yourself that you would like to see us go over. Let me know. And we'll definitely get on that, and we'll definitely do that for you guys here at this channel. We're just trying to get content out to you that's going to help benefit you, help you grow as a trader, give you ideas on ways to think and see the market differently. Perspective is everything in the market, right, guys? So with that being said, appreciate you guys watching this video. Like, subscribe, press the notification button, guys. Support the channel. Go over to our Facebook group, guys, if you haven't, and then request a free invite there. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, guys, this is Richard Williams Jr. from Profits of Forex, where trading is simplified. Peace.